Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about my June favorites. I cannot believe that 2019 is halfway over. That is just absolute insanity to me. 2020 is on its way. I just can't believe it. So if you want to hear everything that I was loving for the month of June, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. And click that notification bell so that you are notified. Sometimes YouTube is a little bit crazy, so that will just give you a notification every time I post a video so you don't miss out. All right, let's get into it. Everything I mentioned will be linked down below in the bottom bar in case you are looking for it. All right, per usual, I've got some new releases for my bracelet line with Love Sarah that of course I have to share with you guys because you guys are my besties, so why wouldn't I share them? So I have two new releases that I just released yesterday, and I'm doing 30% off for 4th of July, so you can use the code USA for 30% off the entire site on withlovesarah.com. It's linked down below. The code will be down below, all of the details, and the coupon code is valid through Sunday, which is July 7th. So scoop up everything you want before then while it's on sale, including the new releases. So the first one is what I'm wearing. This is the Kyra. And this one is just like the pinky red orange pop of color that you need in your life for summer. I think it is so fun. I'm just gonna take it off for you guys. So this is a wrap style. If you're new here, the majority of my bracelets are wrap style. So they come as like one big circle and then you just wrap it around your wrist. But the colors of this one are just gorgeous. This screams summertime to me. And I love the rose gold details. I love the pink and the red tassel on it. Everything about this I think is the most gorgeous pop of color for summer. The other new release is the Skye Bracelet. This one has so many gorgeous shades of blue in it, and then it has the two shades of blue tassels. Again, just such gorgeous colors on here. And this one is really pretty as well. Just another little pop. This one would be really cute even like during the fall and spring and everything, just because it is a little bit darker. But that is what that one looks like. Both of these new ones have two tassels and the medallion. So most of my bracelets have one tassel and the medallion, but these each have two. Hopefully you can see that. So those are the two new releases, the Skye and the Kyra. I love both of them so much. I think they're just so fun for summer. So I've been trying to release fun little pops of color every month for summertime. And I did just want to mention two other ones that I have been really loving lately. They're not new, they're pretty new. They've been released within the past couple of months. The first one is the Jackie. This one has really pretty bluish purpley beads with white accents, and it has a little like navy colored tassel on it. I love the colors of this one. I think this one is such a versatile piece because it will be so good all year round. Like you can wear it right now through the summer, but then you can also wear this all winter, all fall. Like it is a perfect year-round piece. So this one I just really love, and I've been getting so much use out of it recently just because it kind of goes with everything. Like I think this is adorable with the nail polish I have on today, which we will talk about in a minute. And then the other one is the Rachel. This one is just another like very versatile, pretty pink color for summertime, and it has this really, really light pink tassel on it. So that is that. All of these are 30% off right now through the 7th with the code USA, and I will link all of the details down below. But yes, scoop them up while they're on sale, especially the new releases, because they are obviously new. And I have, I believe, 3 Meredith bracelets left right now out of the stock that I have currently, that's the best selling bracelet I've ever had. So that one I believe will be restocked next month, but you can pre-order it anytime. I always have it up for pre-sale just because I know I'm restocking it. Some things, if they sell out, I don't restock it. So anyway, all the details will be down below. Scoop up your bracelets while you can. Okay, let's talk about this nail polish. This is the Essie Gel Couture in Model Citizen, and this color is so fun. Please don't mind my cuticles or the fact that I like cut my finger, but this color is just one of my favorite colors to wear when I have a little bit of a tan. I did self tan, but I think I need to do it again. I did my Loving Tan 2 Hour Express, and I've been trying to not sleep in that one because I don't want to ruin my sheets, but I don't feel like I get as tan unless I actually sleep in it. So I just left it on for a couple hours and then rinsed it off, and I'm not feeling as tan as I wish I was. But this is one of my favorite having a tan summer colors. It's like a purpley pink and just so, so pretty. So Model Citizen by Essie. I have been wearing this It Cosmetics CC cream in the matte version on repeat. It's what I have on my skin today. I just love it so much. This is in the shade Neutral Medium, and I have tons of shades of the different versions of these. So I have the light in the original, and then I have the light medium in the Bye Bye foundation. I think I have the medium in the original as well, but I love these formulas for summertime, and the matte recently has been so good just because it has been so hot here. I love that this has SPF in it. I don't wear it at night just because it does have flashback because of the SPF, but it is the perfect daytime foundation, not foundation for me. A couple of these products are probably gonna sound familiar if you watched my Get Ready With Me using products that I've been loving lately. I will link it up here in case you missed it. But the first product is from Kylie Cosmetics. This is the first and only product I've tried from her line so far, and it is the bronzer in the shade Tequila Tan. This shade is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what word I was just trying to say. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love that it is very, very matte. You can do a little bit of contouring and bronzing up your skin because it is a pretty neutral tone as well. But she has, I want to say, 6 different shades in this. So deeper and lighter, as well as more warm and more cool. So there's a big range of different shades. Hopefully you can find something that works for you, but the formula is gorgeous. Next from CoverFX is the Monochromatic Blush Duo. I have mine in the shade Peach, Soft Peach. And this is, I'm also wearing this. I don't know if I said I was wearing the Kylie bronzer and the matte CC cream, but I'm wearing all 3 of them. So I'm just wearing the blush today. I'm not wearing the highlight. This is such a gorgeous blush. I thought that it was gonna be a little too powdery when I swatched it inside of Sephora, but it ended up being absolutely stunning on the skin. It does have a bit of fallout, but I don't mind that just because it is nice and pigmented. Here's some swatches of it. It is just like the most gorgeous, like glowy, summery look. I cannot get enough. Next is this eyeshadow from Urban Decay. This is the Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen. I think they just reformulated the tip of this, not the actual formula of it. But what I love about this is you can get like a nice precise line. You can get a nice thick line. It goes on jet black. It stays put. It doesn't get pulled up. You do have to let it dry a little bit, but I'm wearing it today. You have to let it dry a little bit before you curl your lashes or it will transfer. That happens with a lot of them, but you don't have to wait forever like some of the other ones. I cannot say enough good things about this. I absolutely have been really, really loving it. I was trying to go in the order of how I apply my makeup and then I totally failed. So I did a full video on this Laura Mercier translucent loose powder in the glow version. I did a half and half version. I swear every time I talk about this product, I mention that video. I will link that video up here, but every time I mention this product, I also get comments about how you can't set your skin with it. And I set my skin with it in that video. I actually do have it on today as well, but it just gives you the most beautiful lit from within glowy look without looking really sparkly, but you have to use a very small amount. I have been loving this for summer. I think it is absolutely stunning on the skin and I highly, highly recommend it. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen me wearing these sandals. I love them. They're the most gorgeous slides. I love that you can just pop them on really quickly. You don't have to deal with buckles or anything. They are $22 and the details of them are so pretty. I love how sparkly they are, but they're super comfortable and I have walked miles and miles and miles in these. Even right when I got them, there was no break-in period, and I cannot say enough good things about this. This is one of my #1 sellers from June, and I totally see why. They're neutral, they go with everything, but they add a little bit of sparkle to your outfits. Let's talk about a couple of skincare items. This is from Dermalogica. This is the Age Bright Clearing Serum. This is so pretty, which does not have anything to do with the actual product, but I love how pretty it is. Anyway, this is supposed to help clear your skin. I broke out a ton last month. I have no idea what was going on. I think just a combination of hormones and the weather, and my skin was not having it, but I was using this a ton, and I still have been. I was using it almost every night. I've cut back to like every other night just because I have so much skincare, and I was really breaking out, and then once my skin started clearing up, I kind of went to every other night, and I've been using this to just kind of help keep it clear. I don't know why I can't talk. So what I do is I put my essence on, and then I'll put this on, like 1 dropper full, and then pat it into my skin, and it does stay pretty tacky, and so I let it sink in for like 3 to 4 minutes before I go in with my night cream, but I have been loving it. Okay, speaking of night cream, I have to talk about this. This is from Elemis. This is the Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. You guys, this smells so amazing. Oh my gosh. I can't get enough of it. I have been using it every single night for basically like I think a month and a half now. I've barely made a dent in it because you need the tiniest amount. A little bit goes a long way with this, which I like because it's not the cheapest thing around, but it smells so good. It sinks into your skin and is just like a nighttime treat. I can't even explain it. But this is one of those creams that you wake up and you feel plump and just brightened and refreshed. To balance out those expensive skincare items, let's talk about this from Bliss. This is the Ex-Glow-Sion Radiance Boosting Eye Cream with vitamin C. I think Bliss's packaging is so adorable, but this eye cream I've really been liking. I like that it's a little bit, it almost is like moussey. It's like thin, but it comes out and feels thick, which is interesting. But it really does just leave a little bit of radiance on your skin. I use this at night because I don't like how this one looks under my makeup, but I've been loving it at night, and I feel like I wake up and again, like my eye area just looks bright and fresh. Alrighty guys, that is everything that I was loving for the month of June. Let me know down below in the comments what you were loving for June. If it's something I haven't tried, maybe I can try it out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.